Last year, a series of meaningful events introducing Korean food and agriculture took place in Madagascar. Let's take a look at the special stories shared through the universal language of food. Last July, the Embassy of the Republic of Korea in Madagascar hosted the country's first ever Korean cooking competition to celebrate Korean Culture Month. The theme of the competition was jangs, fermented pastes and sauces used widely in Korean cuisine. Later in August, a Korean cuisine class was held at the Vatel Hotel and Tourism Business School. The momentum continued into the 2025 International Agricultural Fair and the International Gourmet Fair in September. A shared journey that enriches each other's tables and explores the future of agriculture together. We look forward to the partnership between Korea and Madagascar growing stronger and even more vibrant than ever before.